Do you want to know what are those keywords you should choose for your videos, blogs and websites to rank higher for so you can get a good amount of traffic in a short time? Then stay tuned. I will tell you about a Google Ad Keyword Planner today, which is a free of cost tool, and using this tool you can do a detailed keyword analysis for SEO and PPC both. And all you need is a Google Ad account in order to use this tool, and whether it's a spending account or not, it doesn't matter. My name is Rahul Giblani and I'm a digital marketing coach. Let's get started. Google Ad Keyword Planner is one of the best tools for keyword research today. You can use this tool to discover new keywords and find the estimates of searches and cost to target them. But the question is, why should you use this tool over any other keyword tool? First of all, it's completely free of cost, and other keyword tools rely on third parties for sharing the data, wherein almost 80% of the searches happen on Google itself, which means that we have to base our marketing strategies on Google. Then why not use a tool provided by Google? So let's get on the screen and see how we can use this tool.
So guys, in order to do a keyword research, first of all, we have to log into our Google Ad account. And when you log into your Google Ad account, this is the dashboard you will see. And on the top, you will see tools and setting. When you click on that, under planning, you will see keyword planner. When you click on that, this screen will come. And there you will see discover new keywords. And you click on that. Now this is the place where you need to enter. You can enter up to 10 keywords here. Now these keywords can be the services that you are offering, or the product that you are offering, or the words through which you want the people to come to your website, or maybe YouTube video, or a blog. So you can shortlist up to 10 words through on which you want to do a keyword research. For example, if I'm a company, I'm selling medical equipments. So what I will type here is medical equipment or best medical equipment, or some of the product name that I'm selling, maybe wheelchair. So you can shortlist top 10 keywords around which you want to do a keyword research. For example, if I've entered just 3 over here, and then I will click on, first of all I'll check the language, if the language is English, and the country where I want to target, because whatever country that I'm going to choose, it will show me the statistics of that country, the searches and the CPC and all the data around that country. So make sure to choose the country that you want to target for, whether it is for SEO or PPC, and then click on get results. Now when you click on get result, this is the screen that will come in front of you. Now you will see all the keywords. It will tell you the average monthly searches for those keywords. First of all, it will tell you the information with the keywords that you entered, and then it will also suggest thousands and thousands of keywords. These are the related keywords. What we can do here is, first of all, we can click on average monthly searches. So it will be sorted from the amount, the volume of searches. So now you can see this keyword has up to 1 million searches a month, medical supply store. So you can get a good idea, a fair amount of idea, what are the keywords that you should be targeting for your campaign, for your SEO, or for your video, and you will have a sense of idea that how much traffic that you will be able to get through these keywords. Now one more thing here we can do is, as I can see that I am not able to get a lot of information like CPC, right? So for that you can click on the column here and click on modify column, and whatever column that I'm not able to see on the screen, we can add it from here. So let's say I want to add top of the page bid. and top of the page bid low range, and I click on apply. Now what you can see is the estimated cost per click also. This is for the reference of Google ad account solely, which means that if you are creating Google ads campaign, and then you will be able to have a better idea about the CPC that you will be getting charged for every click for running the campaign on Google. Now let's go through the list of keywords that I can see here. It says medical supply store has up to 1 million searches and the competition is high, which means it's a high competition keyword for Google ad campaigns. Medical supplies also has up to 1 million searches a month. Medical equipments. Now you'll be able to get to know the products also in your domain which are generating good amount of searches. So as I can see, BIPAP machine is generating about 100,000 searches a month. Oxygen machine. So if I want to target some of these products, and if I'm not targeting or if I'm not selling it already, I can add these products to my websites and start a campaign for that also. Now you got a good amount of idea how good this keyword is for your Google ad campaigns. You can see the amount of average searches and the competition, whether it is a high competition or a low competition, and whether what is the top of the page bid CPC and what is the top of the page bid high range and low range. Now if you want to do a research for, let's say, SEO purposes, you're not getting a lot of information related to SEO. So now I'm going to tell you how you can figure out how good this keyword is, what is the competition like. If you want to do an SEO, the main important information that you need for SEO is about the average monthly searches. So that you can figure out from here. If, for example, if this particular keyword you want to do an SEO for, you have up to 1 million searches. This is a good amount of searches for this keyword to do SEO on this keyword. Now what we need to do in order to find out a competition for SEO on this keyword, you copy this keyword, you go to Google, and we type the keyword here. Now when you type the keyword here, it will tell you the results that you are getting for this keyword alone on Google. So now you can see you are getting, I think, millions and millions of results for this keyword. Medical equipment. To further refine it, what we can do is we can use a syntax all in title and then comma and then medical supply store. So what this is going to do, this will show the result which has this keyword only in the title, and by doing this we'll be able to get to know the websites or the competitors who are targeting this keyword only. So now you can see that the result has come down to 1,17,000 results. So from million and millions of results, it has come down to 1,17,000 results. So now you can have a sense of idea whether how much competition this keyword has. So medical supply store is the keyword. Now you can see all the results has this keyword in the title. Medical supply store, medical supply store, medical supply store. So by doing this small step, you will be able to know your competition for SEO for this keyword alone, and by following the similar way, you can do a research for all the keywords that you have shortlisted for your SEO campaign.
Hopefully now you know how you can do a keyword research. If you have any questions about Keyword Planner, please feel free to write in the comments below. We also provide offline coaching and classes related to digital marketing. And if you need any offline support, you can reach out to us on our email address or through social media. If you haven't subscribed our channel already, please click on the subscribe button and press on the bell icon for the notification about our new videos. We upload new video every week with a new topic related to digital marketing. Thank you so much for watching this video.